Meghalaya, the Chief Minister, the Sports Minister, and the officials of the Directorate of Sport Youth Affairs for giving their unconditional support to Daniella. And we have proved it now that till now we have brought 222 medals for Meghalaya, 83 golds, 57 silver, 82 bronze, including her international one, and 41 international medals for India. As well, we are the first to bring medal even for Nehu in the history of sports. 9 medals for Nehu. And we do hope that in the near future, we have around 26 ranking players. 26 ranking players with MSKA. And we hope that with this, we will proceed forward in different international events. And we do hope also that Daniella will be somehow working out that we'll try to proceed for her to qualify for the World Games in China in 2025. One more thing I would like to inform you that it is for the benefit of all that Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association is the only authority to conduct, to develop and to promote kickboxing in Meghalaya. One experience I would like to tell you, it was the day when I went to have a grief with Daniella's family when her father passed away. It was there only that I told Daniella, please come to the right platform. And thank you, Daniella. From that day, when she has to bid farewell to her father who passed away, she said, yes sir, I'll come back to MSKA. Now she has come back, and I have proved her so that the moment you come back to MSKA, you will be an international player. Am I right or wrong? Though I take this privilege to inform here through the media and all, that day when Daniella promised me that she'll join back again with us, then Sam also, Lingdo, who is one of the great mentor in MMA fight in martial arts, whom I really appreciate that he is coming forward to join hand with MSKA to raise our athlete to the right platform. We are here now to see that more medals, more laurels will come because we have a national talent in this art. Thank you all.
Kajing penyakit jangan balik lakan ni sida ngam dal pora sako isim jeng namar ngadang suwan na gawa dang do di arlai banai ngasak seleng oleh seleng ko bega kan dega de ngaselek natu ngalila kasha kemudian kin yo portang sepenai ben training ngam sobiang hira mo pangayo train sepenai namar hangat ngadang long guna so pelat sobangan isim mentai kan nero namar ngai kina kipet pelat sobangan rong heling ru long artatin namar so ngai iki openen soban dang game ngaru kibiang sebab pelat halam bajang tengah aku abangan long kam kiu dia akan training mo aku abangan kiu kam syahmat abangan yora hi ka gol kan me bronze ngam la song Ksiar do kata-kata aku abi yu gol hi nang syahmat dengan trei shitom abangan yu ya namba tintik nak ngapai ki gelak kai mo ngala tadi bhai maki gelak kai no gila kai eta ngala bajbarin kajing la kai jaka bat junga kala piat tang piat sebab pelat yang biang semak jadi kajing la kai ngai semak de ngani trei shitom ka bangala dan practice ha hadu bangan la ban big ye kitu kiwe
hey people in this
ka jaka jing kai jong ha ka de ko nong thmai ko team division maki hi bangala tang la kai nado arya arbu an ma maki hi ngasa ko shiru dan maka tu ka jem ngamala ban ko
okay
boleh ngala drop ngala ya de kena ding la kan tu
ini kesulitan berbuka drop lagi
boleh kan ngadong ini ngam ko akhirnya ban boleh duna yeng ngala om bai nak kalau ngala drop ngala ding la kajing boleh ngan ya la ka be yang drop ngala yo so bociang mo
motivasi
apa rak jaban rak jaban
drop lagi dan
kim ong era ki support yang abang ala kai ya kan ejeng la kai lem na yeng ta ngampoi ra do kan ero yang ni paro kia ai mensi mi abang la kai abang ala sementara kan ke isin gero ya dan nang riwat na bang ala nang isti te I play ya kas you ya Meghalaya kin ba CM ro la yara pelayanan sports minister lem kituru ngamla ada sementara nama kala rem sebab pelak kajing elak kanan ni sih. Lem pituru saya ngampur cakap Cambodia bangan ni Asian kita ke Asian game. Ila era apa yang
Pi penkret hab pi praktis haswa be pinlek cha Cambodia. Arsisni.
ngam dan puar pi trai men step tang shil ta ar kan ta e jan meru ar la kan ta e pangayo praktis ngam lebun puar namar ba hab be ibre ba pawan wa sponsor e ba CM sports minister kajing era ashi rnong thau ngai play ya kalau pari sports club ru ya ba ki sulai ru mo bi la yara ba yang bangan nang ni sa Cambodia so bangan ni la yara haduk mentaru yara mi